In a gap match interaction item, test takers select from a set of match words to accurately fill in the gaps in a text. To create a gap match interaction item, click on Items on the Assessment Builder bar, then again on the folder in which you want the item to reside. You can create a new folder at any time. Now let's create a new item. Type the name of the item into the label field, save, then move on to authoring. The library panel on the left shows you all the possible QTI interaction types you can create using Towel. From the Common Interactions category, drag and drop the gap match icon onto the item canvas. Fill in the question field. Then cut and paste or type in the text within which gaps will be presented. Highlight the words you wish to define as gap match words. Click the magic wand icons to extract them and create gaps in the text. Once your match words are all defined, go to the Response tab and select the correct answers. Now that you've successfully created a new item, save and get a preview. Remember, this is just one of many QTI interaction types that Towel supports. Don't forget to check out the rest.